Now we have exited from Statue of Unity, and you see we will be moving towards Valley of Flower. We have to again stand on queue, and multiple bus will arrive within 5 minutes, and they will pick us up from here to Valley of Flower. So you can see many of bus by the hoarding of Statue of Unity are visible. So I think we will be glad to see Valley of Flower. So we are heading towards there, and long queue is bypassed because we were earlier. So this zigzag queue we have to pass and stand for. I think we have to wait for, I hope so, we will have to wait for 10 more minutes, and the bus will arrive. As you see, many of bus is full, and this will depart from here, and one more is on the way to arrive. So this is departed, and one more is arrived. Let's see whether we will get seat or not. So see you at Valley of Flower. Bye bye. We have boarded now on the bus. So now we are at Flower Valley. So you can see these are artificial flowers. We supposed to see real flower from all over the world. So let's see the entrance, how mesmerizing and beautiful. There is someone who is welcoming you, as you can see. So who is welcoming you? Mr. Prime Minister. So he himself is marketed this place so well that a daily, on a regular basis, 1 lakh people can be accommodated here and get entertained. So from the Flower Valley, this is the entrance, and this is nice. Main attraction of this place is the same thing, Statue of Unity, again from Flower Valley. If we see what is beautiful, that is statue. And you can see, and this is the straight view from the entrance of Flower Valley, Statue of Unity. Beautiful roses are welcoming us. I see. And I am excited, even he is very excited to see these golden flowers. And these are roses. We don't know from which country these are associated. There are beautiful flowers around here, and this is really nice and very nice. And one more thing, we are earlier here, that's why the area is calm and quiet. Example, make in India. You can see someone says this is Babbar Sher, this never do anything or doesn't do anything, but I have seen Flower Valley. This is made in India. I am going to show you the attraction of Flower Valley is, you see. So in the Flower Valley itself, there is dancing glow light. Unity Glow Garden is also there. But the beauty of Unity Glow Garden will be visible at evening. I'm not sure whether we will be here at evening or not, but just capturing the moment. This is called Unity Glow Garden, and someone told that these lights dances like peacock dance. So we may hope we get at the evening. Otherwise, this is it from Unity Glow Garden. Now Flower Valley trip is over, and now we will be heading towards Sardar Sarovar Dam. So see you at Sardar Sarovar Dam. So now we are heading towards dam. There is motorway passage climbing, and this is staircase climbing. Both are available. We have chosen by staircase, and I think very soon we will be at the top of the dam, and I hope this is also going to become a memorable location to visit. Now we are at Sardar Sarovar Dam. So this dam is named over Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. This is Sardar Sarovar Dam, and it is huge. This dam is made over Narmada River. How nice it is. And we are having viewing gallery also. Let's see some of the art galleries. How nice it is. So this is 1 million watt steel shaft and 136 revolution per minute for 200 megawatt production. So there are some informations are available about dam. This is overflow. She is Honorable Chief Minister. Our dam tour is it. So buy from the dam. To eat food or breakfast in this area, actually no multinational brands I have seen. I saw Amul's outfit over there for the drinks, and local people actually they are having juicer machines, and actually local people they are selling snacks. No multinational brands I have seen here. Actually the exposure of the place is very less to multinational brands here, and locally people, I think, as under the Atmanirbhar Bharat brand, locally people have got opportunity of entrepreneurship here. So you can see small juicer machine like this, multiple and many, and some of the coconut water sellers, sole traders. Some of these sole traders, they are there. So snacks facilities, it's not like pizza or burger. You can get imli, juice and kairi kind of things. So we got nice juice, and this is sugarcane juice, genne ka juice. So cheers. Fresh and tasty also. See you. Now we are here at Cycle Tour, and we both are here for this, and it is already booked, the slot 12 to 2 o'clock. So let's tour the cycle at Kevadia. So तैयार हैं साइकिलिंग के लिए?
हाँ सर
तैयार हैं?
ओके।
लेंगे मजे, चढ़ाएंगे गाड़ी को ऊपर सीधे डैम के पार साइकिल. So we are on the process of choosing cycle, and Mr. Mr. Uttam ji also choosing a cycle from the lot.
सुमन भाई आवाज आओ
So I have chosen this cycle. So let's safari with the cycle. So cycle is getting ready. The air has been checked now, and the seat is getting changed because Uttam ji wants cushion, and this is, I think, seat is little up, but let's see.
लेना वो आने के टाइम में डाउन हिल हो जाएगा, पैडल नहीं मारोगे तो भी 40-45 समथिंग स्पीड आएगी, तो ब्रेक मारते हुए आराम से आना है। आगे एक टर्निंग में स्पीड ब्रेकर है बड़ा सा, तो वहाँ पे देखते उतरना, क्योंकि वो स्पीड में आएगी ना, तो आराम से मतलब ब्रेक लगाते हुए आना। वो अगर आप मिस हो गया तो वहाँ पे गिर सकते हो मैम, ठीक है। और ये व्हाइट लाइन को फॉलो करते हुए जाना है। स्टार्टिंग में डायनोटेल आएगा, डैम आएगा, उसके बाद वीआईपी व्यू पॉइंट आएगा, उसके बाद आगे जाओगे क्रोकोडाइल बास्किंग पॉइंट आएगा, वाटर एरोड्रोम, टेंट सिटी से बोटिंग पॉइंट भी पास में ही है। वहाँ पे थोड़ी देर आप रेस्ट कर सकते हो, बैठ सकते हो, कहीं भी बैठ सकते हो, ऐसा नहीं है। लेकिन वहाँ से 1 किलोमीटर आगे जाना है, जहाँ गोड़बोले गेट है, वाटरफॉल जैसा है, आराम से ऐसे स्लोप में पानी जाएगा, वहाँ से यू टर्न लेना है, वापस इसी ट्रैक से जाना है। आने के टाइम में अभी से जा रहे हो तो लेफ्ट साइड होगा, तो आने के टाइम में भी लेफ्ट साइड।
So cycling is started, as you can see. double में Uttam ji and me now Gomati river front cycling we have booked and just climbed a slanting height. It was tough. See, knee is breathing height. So cycling is started. You can see Uttam ji on video. So let's see in the river rafting point. We will be heading towards river rafting point now. The next destination will be that. Now the climbing is little bit slanting up, so that we decided to ride the cycle by hand.
धीरे धीरे चलो, साइड में ले लो फिर।
Now we have halted here because the height slanting climbing was tough, so we have halt here. Now we will move towards dam and we will arrive at river rafting point. We want to see there and we want to sit there. See, he is getting sleep now. After climbing 2 kilometers, the yoga guru is getting sleep. He is laughing and he is understanding what I am saying. ओम बोलिए, ओम ओम का नाम लेंगे तो क्लाइंब होगा,
योग से ही होगा,
योग से होगा।
होगा।
2 किलोमीटर क्लाइंब के बाद हम यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं, योग और करना पड़ेगा। He is laughing, he is understanding everything. So it was, we are really enjoying. Wow. Now we are at dam, that our right hand side Sardar Sarovar Dam is visible, and quite enjoying cycling over here. This is quite place like jungle. I am worried that maybe leopard will attack us because we two are only here. One more couple was there with the couple cycling, but I think they decided not to climb because it was stiff. Now we are not climbing, but this is plain and the water of dam that I'm going to show you after some time. It's clean, and one canal is also, I don't know the name of canal here. The canal is going towards east or west, that also I don't know, because we are in between jungle, so no clue. We are fine, just we are following the cycleway path. So here, so see you soon when we will arrive at rafting point. We have arrived at another place also. Let's see. We are above the dam now. So how? Let's see. Yeah. Just. I think this is a rafting point, because I don't know. They don't have any map which place is called what, but they have shown crocodile are there. The warning sign has been displayed here, as you see. The warning sign of crocodile has been displayed here. यूं ही चला चल रही, यूं ही चला चल रही, जीवन गाड़ी है ये पहिया। यूं ही चला चल रही, यूं ही चला चल रही, जीवन गाड़ी है ये पहिया। दन दन दान न दन दन दान न दन दन दान न दन दन दान न दान दान न दान दान दान। क्लाइंबिंग हो रहा है, क्लाइंबिंग टफ है, टफ है। आगे हमारे उत्तम जी हैं और हम पीछे पीछे
गाना गा रहे। संगीत में पूरा
तेरा पीछा ना छोड़ूंगा सोनी है, पीछा ना, ओ तेरा पीछा ना, ओ तेरा पीछा ना छोड़ूंगा सोनी है, पीछा ना। ए बाबा, मजा तो बहुत आया, मगर मजे की सजे ये हुए हैं कि हमारा जो पैर है वो कितना भी योगा करो, कितना भी योगा करो, आपका पैर का एक एक मसल बोल रहा है तुम योगी बाबा नहीं हो। योगी बाबा नहीं हो।
ड्रम मत,
क्या बात है। ये डैम में कलरफुल है। This is another point of dam, and it's visible, beautiful also, and really enjoyed. So here, let's see what's written over here about this dam. Yeah, it's written over here, Statue of Unity, Ek Bharat Shreshth Bharat. Yes. और इसके पीछे है dam. Oh. And this dam is damn beautiful. Dam here, I think this is canal, and water is flowing towards where we are taking our cycling, towards that side, and how clean it is, you can see. And both the side there is jungle. As I said, the attack of leopard may happen here. So कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत अच्छे,
बहुत अच्छे,
बहुत अच्छे।
और इसके अंदर क्रोकोडाइल भी हो सकता है। ये तो कैनल है मेरे को लग रहा है, डैम तो इसका उस तरफ ज्वाइनिंग है, कैनल है, कैनल, नहर, हाँ, पीने का पानी। सो यू कैन सी वन पर्सन, ही इज कमिंग बाय साइक्लिंग, एंड वी विल ज्वाइन विथ हिम। Behind this car there is a person who is coming, and we will join with them. See you on the river rafting point. We are now at river rafting point. As you can see, The boat are arriving and rafting is going on. One side we have rafting, as you see, the rafting booking point. We don't have plan of river rafting for today because it's time consuming and we have to get returned before 6 o'clock. So really missed it, otherwise we could have done that also. And yes, we have to miss something, and that's the reason for next visit, so that one side we have Tent City. Just I will cross and across. This is Tent City. How nice it is. Let's see. So finally we have arrived at Tent City by cycling, and other way around from here we can see rafting. Due to COVID, crowd are less here. As I spoke to some authority, they told around 25,000 people supposed to visit today. So buy from here. And here Uttamji, he is also looking at and thinking about to stay, and really looking forward to stay here in Tent City in next visit. Bye. So we are having snacks here at the rafting point, and we will be relaxing for around 20 minutes, and next destination will be at the cycle point again, giving up cycle back and going for viewing gallery again at the Valley Point Statue of Unity. So cheers. As this is one more gate point, the water is flowing onto the river from the dam. As you can hear the sound clearly, the sound of water flow is visible on the background. It looks beautiful, really. And other side you see dam. That dam's water is getting poured into the river. The overflowing water from the dam is getting poured into the river by this flow, gate flow. So we are here now, and there is ahead Tent City number 1, Narmada I, that is Narmada 1. Let's see whether they will be arriving there or not. So here, that's it. So here this is overflow of dam gate. This was the point 0 of Sardar Sarovar Dam. Now we are getting returned from here to the cycling point. So see you guys at cycling point, and our cycling journey is getting back from here towards cycling point. Now we finally arrived at the cycle point, and our cycling journey is closed now. So, and Uttam ji, how was, कैसा था?
बहुत अच्छे।
चढ़ाई कैसा था?
थोड़ा कष्ट था।
हाँ, आने के टाइम पे
इजी था।
It was easy, yes. So that this is the cycling point, and for this also we have to book online. So we were lucky by after coming here we booked. Otherwise you will not be getting, if there are crowd much, no cycle will be available. But fortunately we got it and fully enjoyed. This place is called Jungle Safari, and this is actually just like mini zoo, and we can see tiger over here. See bus, private buses also getting run here, and they are waiting for bus to arrive. and we are heading towards point of check-in and check-out where our luggages are there. So it has been nice jungle safari. Now we are at evening. This is 5 o'clock. We are at food court. This is food court, and we had dhokla, oriental, every menu you can get here, and awesome place. You can see food court, how it looks like, background music, the romantic music. We really love it. We really loved it. So now at a time, around 500 people can sit here. So 500 packs. Restaurant, food court, self-service, each kind of food we can get. Oriental, Lebanese, Indian, all. We were a little bit tensed because ticket were not getting confirmed, but just now we got message that our ticket is confirmed. It was waiting list because unplanned, last moment planned tour brought some tensions at evening, but finally ticket is confirmed. We had as a snacks and it was nice. We had coffee, and see, this is food court and children, they are playing, and a lot of menu you can get here, from Oriental to Indian to Gujarati thali, and we loved it. And now here at above in that house you can see the vegetables, capsicum, fruits, banana, cabbage, and this is lovely place to be. And we have to close this journey here. So for this evening, Statue of Liberty visit, we are closing here. So whoever people, dear friends watching, plan nicely to visit this place. So हम क्या कहना चाहेंगे लास्ट में? नमस्कार, बाय बाय, ओम।
सब लोग यहाँ पे आइए, बहुत अच्छा जगह है।
यस,
सबको मन सबका पूरा दिन अच्छा जाएगा।
बहुत कुछ है करने के लिए। हमने
लोग
शेर
बहुत
की सवारी नहीं
आनंद
की,
किए, एंजॉय किए।
शेर की सवारी नहीं की, बाकी सब की। बाय, सी यू। दिस इज ग्लो गार्डन। एज while we came at daytime, it was not glowing. Now this is glowing. We are ending here from the glow garden, as you see, and we are ending our journey catching bus from here to station.
Thank you.
Actually, we are moving towards station by leaving Statue of Unity. Finally, Kevadia station have arrived. We are here now. This is 7:30 p.m. We are having train from here at 9:30 to Dadar. That DDR Kevadia special train, and premises at the evening. This is beautiful. At morning we saw in first part of video it was quite different, and now at evening it's really colorful. You can see hoardings, colors, and the beauty of station. So still this station's construction is going on. You can see the Sardar Vallabhbhai's glowing LED erected here on the wall. So this is beautiful. So again, bye.